It's 1990, tax season, 3 a.m. The tools are simple, the process painstaking. Every number manually calculated, every mistake erased, recalculated, and rewritten by hand. This was the reality for generations of professionals. Preparing tax work papers was a slow, manual grind. Long nights, endless paper trails, and a process that demanded precision, patience, and a whole lot of caffeine. Fast forward to 2024. The process has evolved, and the pace of work has become more demanding. But the tools have changed only slightly. Excel replaced paper columns and adding machines, but the process remains largely manual. Complex formulas, endless tabs, version control nightmares. Tax professionals still work late into the night, still chasing numbers, still waiting for a better way. Now, it's today. And the future has arrived. With HubSync's web-based workpapers, tax professionals prepare, review, and finalize work faster than ever. Automated account mapping, trial balance imports, seamless integration with tax prep software, consolidations, and more. No more late nights, no more version chaos, just smart, efficient, intuitive workflows. HubSync transforms the tax workflow, making it smarter, faster, and more human. Workpapers are now web-based, eliminating the constraints of Excel while preserving the familiar interface tax professionals love. It's not just better, it's a whole new way to work. From paper trails to spreadsheets to smart automation, HubSync has redefined what's possible.